Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about the differences between ordinary bill and money bill. Ordinary bill can be introduced either in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, but money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha and it cannot be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Ordinary bill can be introduced either by a minister or by a private member. Who is a private member? Any member or any member of parliament other than a minister is known as private member. Next, money bill. Money bill can be introduced only by a minister. Next, ordinary bill can be introduced without the recommendation of president. But money bill, it can be introduced only on the recommendation of president. Next, ordinary bill can be amended or rejected by the Rajya Sabha, but money bill cannot be amended or rejected by the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha should also return the bill with or without recommendations within 14 days. The Lok Sabha can either accept or reject these recommendations and can pass the bill. Next, ordinary bill can be detained by the Rajya Sabha for a maximum period of 6 months, whereas the money bill can be detained by the Rajya Sabha for a maximum period of 14 days only. Next, ordinary bill does not require the certification of speaker when transmitted to the Rajya Sabha if this bill has originated in the Lok Sabha. Next, money bill requires the certification of speaker when transmitted to the Rajya Sabha. In case of ordinary bill, when there is a deadlock due to the disagreement between the two of the houses, a joint sitting can be summoned by the president to resolve the deadlock. Whereas there is no provision of joint sitting in case of money bill. Next, the defeat of ordinary bill in the Lok Sabha may lead to the resignation of the government if it is introduced by a minister. But in the case of money bill, its defeat in the Lok Sabha compulsorily leads to the resignation of the government. And finally, the ordinary bill can be rejected, approved or returned for the reconsideration by the president. But in the case of money bill, it can be rejected or approved, but it cannot be sent for reconsideration by the president. Now let us discuss a question based on this. What will follow if a money bill is substantially amended by the Rajya Sabha? A. The Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill accepting or not accepting the recommendations of Rajya Sabha. B. The Lok Sabha cannot consider the bill further. C. The Lok Sabha may send the bill to the Rajya Sabha for reconsideration. And D. The President may call for a joint sitting for passing the bill. The correct answer is A. The Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill accepting or not accepting the recommendations of Rajya Sabha. Thank you.